This mirror image exercise is to assist with a hyperlordosis and an anterior pelvic tilt. Typically this will look like where you've got too much rounding in the low back and the pelvis is tilted forwards from its normal position. To correct the anterior pelvic tilt of the pelvis, we need to posteriorly tilt and then compress the low back into the wall. So we have our yoga block for this, or if you've got a roll up towel, that can suffice. We're going to place this on the tailbone. So this is the hard bit of bone just about where your gluteal cleft sits. So you're going to place that against the wall. Your feet are slightly off the wall once again. And then with this one, you're going to try and flatten your lower back into the wall and then bring your head back at the same time. And you'll really feel this working through your lower abdominal muscles if you're doing it well. Hold there for 3 or 4 seconds. And then relax. And then you do that once more. So really trying to pull that lower back into the wall and then bring the rest of the body up with it, holding for 3 or 4 seconds. And relax. Now these exercises are best done with lots of repetition, done consistently. So start with a 3-second hold 5 times in a row. You might do this 3 or 4 times a day and build that up as appropriate.